Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And unable to create rename folder error 0x800700CE. So how to fix? So I just give you example like this folder to don't make doing like rename and open and coming error. So guys, first method, check permissions. Right click, go to show more, click to property. Okay, then click to security, edit, add, type EVE and then check everyone and then apply. Check, apply, then administrator, check one by one, it's allowed. System, it's then okay. Okay, okay. Then guys, CHK, DSK, NSFCs, next method. So this is SFC scanner. So how to run? This is command. I will give you this command in the video descriptions. So open CMD, click to start and type CMD. Right click to run as administrator. Then yes. So this is first command. Okay. Copy and paste. If guys it is not copy paste, so you can type manually. Okay. So step by step, one by one, enter the command. This is first, second, third, fourth. Then second, then third, then last. So guys, how to run chkdsk? Click to start and type cmd and right click to run as administrator. Then click to yes. For administrator rights, type chkdsk space C column. C means your C drive, and space slash F space slash C, and then hit enter, and then click to yes. So guys, if you repair some other drive like DEF, so you can after that restart. Restart your system, then properly deep scanning, like start this one, okay. Fix C drive. After that, your system will be restart. Welcome screen.